Did you know that by the time most men turn 60, they've already lost up to 30% of the testosterone they once had? And this quiet loss does more than steal your muscle and energy. It silently drains your confidence and your desire behind closed doors. Many older couples whisper about it but never fix it. Night after night, some men feel too tired to connect with the person they love most. They blame stress, old age, or bad luck, and quietly accept it. But is that really the truth, or just a costly excuse? The truth is, your testosterone is your silent engine. When it runs low, your body feels older than your mind. You lose your drive, your spark, your strength, and yes, your passion. That's why today we're launching a wake-up call, the Senior Testosterone Campaign. Just like the bold prostate balloon floating over Victoria Harbor shocked the world, this campaign will shake up old habits that kill your manhood slowly. In this video, we reveal 3 hidden mistakes that steal your testosterone year after year, and simple ways to fix them starting today. No pills, no expensive therapies, just smart, proven habits that keep your desire strong, your energy high, and your partner smiling. So, if you're over 60, or if you love someone who is, watch until the end. Fix these mistakes before they ruin your nights, your health, and your confidence. Stay strong, stay young in spirit, and take charge of your manhood again. Let's get started. 1. Skipping strength and movement. Did you know that not moving enough might be the biggest hidden reason your testosterone keeps slipping away year after year? Many older men think walking to the mailbox or doing a bit of gardening is enough. But here's the hard truth. Muscles love testosterone, and testosterone loves muscles back. If you stop challenging your body stops producing the very hormone that makes you feel strong, confident, and connected in the bedroom. Let's break this down. Testosterone isn't just about biceps. It fuels your bones, keeps belly fat in check, and most importantly, keeps your desire alive when you're alone with your partner. Low muscle mass equals low testosterone, and low testosterone equals low desire. It's that simple. Think about it. How often do you feel too tired for romance? How many times have you told yourself, "I'm just old, that's normal"? But here's a secret your doctor won't always tell you. Muscle loss is one of the main reasons older men lose interest in intimacy. And the good news? You can reverse it, even at 70. Take Mr. Allen, for example. At 68, he used to love slow walks with his wife, but by bedtime, he'd feel drained. He blamed his age until a friend dragged him to a simple senior strength class. Twice a week, he lifted light dumbbells and did body weight squats with a trainer watching. Within weeks, his posture improved. Within 3 months, his wife said, "You seem more like your old self again." In every way. Alan laughs now. "I thought push-ups were for young men. Turns out they keep old men young." So, what can you do? Starting today? Here's a simple plan that works for older men. 1. Commit to 2 sessions per week. No need to lift heavy. Focus on light weights or resistance bands. A few sets of squats, light curls, and push-ups against the wall work wonders. 2. Walk with purpose. Keep your steps daily, but add small challenges. Carry light grocery bags. Take stairs when possible. Swing your arms more briskly. 3. Stretch your lower back and hips. Flexible hips mean better blood flow. Better blood flow supports not just your heart, but your romantic life too. A question many men ask is, "I'm 70. Is it safe to start strength training now?" Yes, but start smart. Talk to your doctor first, then look for a senior-friendly gym or a trusted physical therapist. Never push until pain. Gentle but steady wins the race. Closing reminder, Muscles are free medicine. If you skip building them, you slowly starve your testosterone and your spark. If you build them, you protect your manhood. So tonight, before you switch off the TV and head to bed, ask yourself, did I do one thing today to keep my muscles and my desire strong? If not, tomorrow is your chance. Don't give your hormones an excuse to quit on you. Stand up, move more, lift wisely, and feel young where it counts most. 2. Poor sleep and stress, the silent desire killer. Here's a fact most men underestimate. One bad night's sleep can drop your testosterone the next morning. A whole week of poor sleep? It can make a healthy man feel a decade older. In mind, body, and especially in the bedroom. Most older men blame aging when they feel less interested in intimacy. But for many, the real villain is restless sleep and hidden stress. Here's how it works. Your body makes testosterone while you sleep. Deep sleep. Not just closing your eyes for a few hours. It's like filling up a gas tank overnight. If you keep waking up, worrying, or snoring all night, your tank never fills. Next day, you feel tired, moody, and your desire stays locked away. Now add stress to the mix. When you're worried about money, health, or family, your body makes more cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol acts like a thief. It steals the raw material your body needs to make testosterone. So stress by day plus poor sleep by night equals a double punch to your manhood. Let me share George's story. George, 72, used to toss and turn every night. He blamed it on aging and old back pain. He didn't notice that every bad night made him grumpier and less interested when his wife reached for him. One day, during a routine checkup, his doctor told him, "Your testosterone is low because your sleep is bad. Fix your nights. Fix your passion." Skeptical but desperate, George tried. He did 3 simple things. First, he shut down his phone and TV 1 hour before bed. No bright screens. Second, he made bedtime a ritual. Light music, warm shower, a few deep breaths. Third, he stuck to the same bedtime, even weekends. Within 2 weeks, George said he felt clearer in the mornings. Within a month, he felt something else come back. His spark for romance. Sleep is that powerful. So, what can you do tonight to help your testosterone rebuild while you dream? 1. Set a bedtime alarm. Treat bedtime like an appointment you can't miss. 10:30 p.m. or earlier works best for most seniors. 2. Power down screens at least 30 to 60 minutes before bed. TV, phone, or tablet light tells your brain to stay awake. Dim the lights instead. 3. Relax your mind. Try soft music, light reading, or gentle stretches. Many older couples find a warm shower or foot soak helps too. A question men often ask is, "I wake up to pee 3 times a night. Does this ruin my testosterone?" Answer: not necessarily, but broken sleep does hurt hormone cycles. So combine what you learned in the prostate balloon campaign. Fix prostate habits to reduce night trips. Better sleep means more testosterone. It's all connected. Closing reminder: you can't buy good sleep in a pill bottle. You earn it by protecting your evenings and your mind. Tonight, after this video, make sleep your silent power source. Deep sleep equals strong hormones equals strong desire, and a stronger you for the person you love. 3. Too much sugar and beer. The social trap killing your testosterone. It's not just what you eat, it's who you eat and drink with. Many older men know sugar and beer aren't healthy, but the real problem is habit and friends. Thursday poker night, Saturday BBQ. A glass here, a beer there, a slice of cake. All just to be polite. Week after week, it adds up. More belly fat, More estrogen, less testosterone. Your body quietly swaps manhood fuel for fat storage. The result? A softer belly and a softer drive. Unlike sleep or exercise, diet mistakes often hide behind laughter and good times. You don't think about hormones when you say, "Pour me another," with your buddies. Let's look at Harold, 67. Harold loved his golf buddies. And the 19th hole beers afterward. He thought a couple of beers couldn't hurt. But his belly grew. His doctor told him belly fat converts testosterone into estrogen, the very hormone that makes men feel less masculine. He didn't blame old age this time. He blamed habit. So Harold did one simple thing. He became the guy who ordered one beer, then switched to water or unsweet tea. He still jokes with friends, still laughs, but his waist shrank. And at home, his wife noticed the difference where it mattered most. So how do you outsmart sugar and beer without becoming the boring guy at the table? 1. Swap drinks smartly. Order a light beer or dry red wine if you must drink. Then switch to sparkling water. Hold it like a drink, but it doesn't kill your hormones. 2. Watch hidden sugars. Cut sugary sauces, sweet coffee, breakfast pastries. These sneak sugar into your day without you noticing. 3. Build a polite excuse. Practice saying, "I'm watching my health. Just one for me today." Good friends won't push you past that. If they do, they aren't good friends. A question many men ask: can I never drink again? No, you can enjoy, just wisely. 1 drink won't wreck your testosterone. 4 every night will. Closing reminder: your buddies don't live with your hormones. Your belly does. Every sip and bite is a vote. More belly or more drive. Tonight, make your vote count. Routine guide. Keeping your testosterone strong doesn't need a complicated plan. It just needs simple daily habits. Habits that become part of your routine without feeling like work. Here's a simple plan you can start tomorrow. Morning. Drink a glass of water before coffee. Take a short walk outside, even just 10 minutes. Sunlight wakes up your body and sets your hormone clock. Eat protein for breakfast. Eggs, Greek yogurt, or nuts, not sugary cereal. Afternoon. Avoid heavy lunches that make you sleepy. Go light. Salad with lean meat or fish. If you sit a lot, stand up every hour, stretch your back and shoulders. Movement keeps your blood and hormones flowing. Evening. Cut off alcohol at least 3 hours before bed. Eat dinner earlier, not right before sleep. Heavy late meals disturb deep sleep, the sleep that makes testosterone. Power down screens an hour before bed. Try reading or soft music to calm your mind. Weekly. Schedule 2 strength sessions, light weights, resistance bands, or a senior gym class. Take a day to prep healthy snacks, nuts, fruit, boiled eggs, so you don't grab candy or chips when you're tired. Remember, a young spirit needs an honest routine. Your hormones will thank you, and so will the one who loves you. Recap plus closing speech. Let's remind ourselves what we learned today. First, muscles protect your testosterone. Build them slowly, and your desire stays alive. Second, good sleep rebuilds your hormones every night. Protect your sleep, protect your spark. Third, too much sugar and beer quietly destroy your drive. Choose wisely. Your belly and your bedroom will thank you. You deserve to feel strong, confident, and close to the person you love. Even after 60, even after 70. This is not about turning back the clock. It's about living fully in the years ahead. Comment below. Tell us your age and your best tip for staying strong and connected. Subscribe. We share real, proven health habits for men every week. No gimmicks, no hype. Share this video. Help another man feel young again. inside and out. Age is just a number. Testosterone is your fuel. Keep it strong, and keep writing your best chapters yet. Thank you for watching the Senior Testosterone Campaign. Stay healthy. Stay confident. See you in the next video.